Welcome, class, to PBL Day 6. We have tackled a lot of challenges together during this PBL, and we have another one ahead of us today. But I know you guys are ready, you're choosing to grow, and you've learned a lot of new skills throughout this process. So, when I say Skittles in this video, I need you to pause the video, go up to the whiteboard. There you will find several sheets that look like the one on my screen. Find the one that goes with your class period. Find your name and see whether or not you have 100% in the open-ended section. Remember what percentage you have in the open-ended section that my arrow is going over right now. Or whether or not your name is there at all. Skittles. Now that you have checked out the list on the whiteboard and found your name, if you had less than 100% in the open-ended section, here where my arrow is, or your name was not there at all, that means that you either did not complete the Nearpod yesterday or you did not send in your answers. This is an easy fix. Don't panic. We'll get through this together. Now, if your name was not there at all, or you got less than 100% on the open-ended questions, please pause the video now. When I say Skittles, go to Google Classroom, hit Control F, type in Nearpod, and hit Enter until you come to the link that looks like this. Click on that link to join. Skittles. Now that you're back, what happened to your answers if you thought you did them yesterday was that when you got to a question, like the one on my screen, and you typed in an answer, instead of hitting send, you hit the next arrow. That means I got no answers for you. You need to hit send. So hopefully you remember all the answers that you put yesterday, or you can get extra practice and go through the Nearpod again. Go ahead and pause the video and make sure you redo all the answers and send them in to me. This is really important, guys, because I am taking this for a grade. Skittles. Now, once you have for sure turned in all your answers on Nearpod, you need to go to the white bookshelf and pick up the Word Detective sheet. It will be found underneath the bragboard. If the rest of your team is done, you may work together. However, please do not wait on them. Okay, so you will read through and learn about the 4 different types of context clues. These context clues will help you figure out the meaning of a word without having to drag out your dictionary or your computer or your phone. You need to read through this top part, so go ahead and pause the video and do that now. Now that you've learned about the 4 types of context clues, you need to answer the 4 questions below. Now, when I say Skittles, I want you to pause the video, and underneath each question, please write type of context clue. Here, 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 and here. Skittles. Now that you've written type of context clue, go ahead and read the directions and fill in the answers. Please put the definition, underline the words that helped you find the meaning, and tell me which type of context clue was used. At this time, please pause and put your first and last name on this sheet of paper. Now, flip it over. If your team has not all finished the front of this page yet, then go ahead and go back to the Google Classroom announcement that says PBL Day number 5 right here from yesterday, and continue with steps 3 and 4. Once your entire team has finished, you need to find the link to this YouTube video on your Google Classroom announcement for today. On the back of that sheet, once I say Skittles, please go ahead and pause. You need to write word at the top of that sheet. Then underneath that, please write type of context clue. And then underneath that, please write hints. While watching this video, you will see some big words like boisterous and some hints, some context clues that help you figure out the meaning of that word. Once you come across some of those words, pause the video as a team, write down the word, what words gave you hints to help you figure out the meaning, what you think the meaning is, and what type of context clue was used. When you get done watching the video and writing down as many new words, the meaning of those words, hints you used to figure out the meaning, and the types of context clues you used, then go ahead and turn the sheet into the tray and go back to that Google Classroom announcement from yesterday. It says welcome to PBL Day 5, and get started looking for articles. Thank you.